In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your primary or remove your primary email from Inzy. So let's get started. So the first thing is that you simply need to click on your profile. After which you simply click on what? Settings. So once you're here, you simply need to click on what? Login and security. So after which you click on what? Email address. So after that, you simply click on add email address. So you simply need to check at your current email address. They have sent a verification code here. Once you get the code, you simply need to insert the code. So after inserting the code, you simply submit it. So after which you simply need to insert your new email address. So after that, insert your password. So after which you simply click on what? Submit. So guys, they have actually sent us a verification code on this our new email address in which we need to confirm it. So this is it here. Click on it. So guys, we are going to check. So as you can see, we just successfully added this secondary email address, so we can make it as a primary email address by clicking on it. Insert your password again. So guys, that is actually the way you change your primary email address. Thank you guys for watching.